guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you part 2 of the patio build. This was such a challenging project, but it is finally done and it looks really good. I'm very, very proud of us considering we've never done anything like this before and how it turned out. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. After we finally got all of the dirt compacted and leveled, we were able to move on to the next step, which is putting down this weed barrier. This will not only allow weeds to have a more difficult time growing through, but also it will help keep our sand in place.
Okay, this looks so good.
We finally got to move on to putting in the border. We just used this metal staked border. And here we are screeding our sand. We have these 2 metal conduits that we use to help keep the sand level and add a slope. And then the black bases that you see are called Brock paper bases. And using these was very helpful. It eliminates the need to dig down further, which is very hard in our area because it's a lot of limestone. So we didn't have to dig down as far using these Brock paper bases, and it saved us a lot of time and effort. They were a little bit pricey, but I would say in our situation, 100% worth it. And that's day 5. We decided the diamond shape pattern looked best all the way around. guys, unfortunately this method of gluing did not work, and we had to end up going back and ripping up everything that we glued down, because it was just the first like top layer that was glued down. So whenever you walked across it or put any kind of pressure, like real pressure on it, the rocks underneath it would move. So yeah, we had to rip all of this up and redo it. The new method that we used was basically mixing all of the rocks up in the glue and then tamping it back down so that the glue would be not just on the top layer but throughout, and it worked so much better, and this is the end result. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end and watching this whole process of us redoing this backyard, making this patio. It was a huge challenge, but I think we did such a good job. I'm so proud of us. I cannot wait until the spring, summertime, whenever we can actually go out there and enjoy it, because it's been so cold here in Texas that we haven't really got to sit out there and enjoy it. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.